Sorley MacLean.
I've got a little personal thing to say. When I was about 14 or 15, I had a tremendous crush on a woman about 40. She was wonderfully beautiful, and she was 8th in descent from Dolbarn of Hallaig. And that has probably give a sentimental colouring to the poem. Time the deers in the wood of Hallaig.
A poor just starting near the neck from
which I saw
the
the west, and my love was at the burn of Hallaig, a birch tree. And she has always been between Inver and Milkhollow, here and there about Ballaford. She is a birch, a hazel, a straight, slender young rowan. Inscrutable of my people were Norman and big Hector were. Their daughters and their sons are a wood going up beside the stream. I suppose my childhood was fairly typical of childhood anywhere in the West. We spent a lot of time with the boats, learned to sail and row, looked after cattle and sheep, played shinty, football, and so on. And one was surrounded by stories, including, of course, stories about the Rasi clearances, the Skye clearances, and the later resistance, especially in Braes, where 3 of my grandparents came from. Proud a night the pine cocks crowing on the top of Crochara, straight their backs in the moonlight. They are not the wood I love. I will wait for the birchwood until it comes up by the cairn, until the whole ridge from Benediche will be under its shade. If it does not, I will go down to Hallaig, to the Sabbath of the dead, where the people are frequenting, every single generation gone.
Past and Hallaig, from the ends and MacLean, all the time of Hallam, the dead have been seen alive. The men lie in a dion again of every house of walls. Na heon and nang Hallaig, Gier and Rhyme, Brown and their heads. Between the lurch and ferns, the road is under mild moss, and the girls in silent bands go to Clachan as in the beginning, and return from Clachan, from Seisnish and the land of the living, each one young and light stepping, without the heartbreak of the tale. From the burn of ferns to the raised beach that is clear in the mystery of the hills, there is only the congregation of the girls keeping up the endless walk. Coming back to Hallaig in the evening, in the dull living twilight, filling the steep slopes, their mist in my ear, and their beauty a film on my heart, before the dimness comes on the Kyle, and the sun goes down behind Duncanna, and vehement bullet will come from the gun of love, and will strike the deer that goes dizzily sniffing at the grass growing cold. His eyes will freeze in the moon, his blood will be traced while I live.
maar je kan krieren en een koel. Naar harnes krieren het koel van kennen, ik pillar die naar kommige. But you see, the oral tradition was strong.
Sgairio veteran o'r sbwrbania haws y bos mwgal a horn ein a behan a cawd yn cyr yn gyr a chen yn ysgrifft o'r mwychini ffer o taramat se hymol a nian yn symich na'n chalia gael swas i cyf o loen Wain grach yn och na cael eich ywys y gere me'r moch foch gara Dyrach yn rhoi nes i gael
Er y leni a fawn o ar y chwre stochelwn sy'n ywleg a hesri